Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, or ruining my hair, or making my hair fabulous. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. It is now like almost midnight. I've been procrastinating all day because I'm really nervous and really scared to do this. I've cut my bangs here and there, but this is actually cutting inches off my hair. A real full haircut. Sheetal's video is how I cut my hair at home in long layers, and she has 141,000 likes on this video. It's 18 million views, and let's see. She has 4.2 thousand comments, and I read a bunch of them like all week. And a lot of people have tried this. People said that it came out amazing. So if all those people aren't professional hairdressers and she did a good tutorial and she showed how to do it really well, like hopefully I can, because I'm good at hair and I've cut bangs and stuff before, but never all this. So I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. Literally been procrastinating all day. Usually I literally drive to San Francisco. I live in LA. I drive 5.5 hours to San Francisco so my girlfriend Vanessa can do my hair because she's amazing and I don't let anyone else cut my hair but her. If she sees this, she's gonna be so mad at me. So Vanessa, if this goes wrong, either I'm just sending this to Brad Mondo for him to review and make fun of me, or after this I'm just gonna cry and then drive straight to San Francisco and have Vanessa fix my hair. First, I have to straighten my hair with a flat iron because I will not be able to get a proper line with my hair being curled. So here we go. So if you guys attempt this or try to cut your hair yourself, I highly, highly, highly recommend using professional scissors. I got these on Amazon and they are extremely sharp. Not expensive. It comes with 2 scissors and a comb and some clips. So this one has the thinning shears. Really, really, really sharp scissors. If you use just regular like craft scissors or stuff like that, it will it'll cut your hair, but it will further damage your hair because it'll cut it and then it'll make the hair fray and split and doesn't really cut them a nice clean cut. So get actual hair cutting scissors. What if I literally just like went video over? Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Next, I'm going to cut my hair down the middle. Now, I'm going to take from the middle of my scalp down to my ears, where my ears start, and I'm going to separate the hair in the front. Now, this is the hair that we're going to be working on first, and the rest of the hair, I'm just going to tie it in the back so that it's out of my way and out of my face. The first thing I'm going to do is create a guide. This is going to be the guide that we're going to be using to cut the rest of our hair. So I'm going to separate a little bit of hair from the top and take it all the way up and hold it tightly, and then we're going to start cutting. Now, we're going to cut in a straight line, and I know that looks like a lot of hair.
Now all my hair's in frame? Okay, almost. I don't even know if my arms are long enough for this. So I held onto it nice and tight like she said, and she said to point cut straight up. So here we go. Oh, yeah. There goes my hair. We're doing this. We're literally doing this. Bye hair. See you later. Can't turn back now. Okay, so this piece is going to be our guide.
We're going to be using this guide now to cut the rest of the hair. So take a little bit of that and then mix it in with one side of the hair, and I'm going to take that side of the hair and bring it up and diagonal.
Now for the second part, she says mix the hair all together. I did that. Everything that I had sectioned off. I'm not going to put it straight up, but she says go to an angle. So now we're supposed to cut where this is sticking out. And now do the same thing and point cut like that one was. That is a lot of hair. Oh, baby Jesus. Okay, okay. So we got that one done. Now she says mix this in over here and do the same thing to this side. So this is where it went horribly wrong.
As you can see, I'm turning it on the wrong axis, and it's not lined up properly, and it's not matching the other side. I cut it completely wrong. I cut it exactly like the other side instead of the mirror image of the other side, and ruining my hair, making a mullet right there. Perfect. Great job, Crystal.
Okay, so she says now to part our hair down the middle, all the way back, and to take the one side and put it in a hair tie because we're gonna work on this side first. So now for this one, she says, she kind of started like right about here, and she says take a chunk of your hair. So at that same kind of angle, she says you'll see the guide. Okay, I see that. And she says to cut an inch below that, creating our second layer. And point cutting through that.
And as you can see by my face, I am starting to have a panic attack and a mental breakdown.
That's our second layer. Okay.
What did I do?
Okay. And now she says to make our third layer, proceed to do that same thing and get all that hair. 10 minutes straight of Crystal ruining her hair. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this because my hair is way too long for this hair tutorial. Oh my god. See, I can't even get the right angle. This is gonna be a disaster. San Francisco, here I come. There's my second guide. I'm supposed to cut another inch down below the third layer. I definitely got off all the dead ends. There's all my layers. Oh my god. Oh no. I don't know if this haircut was meant for someone with my length of hair, which I do not have anymore because I am ruining it right now. I'm cutting now an inch below that, which I'm not really doing an inch because my hair is way long for that. This side turned out much better. Now for that third layer. Oh, my dead ends are gone. That's good. This side turned out way better than this side.
Mullet, mullet, mullet. Yay, mullet.
So now the last step's just to check it and make sure everything is even. She says brush everything forward. Just check it by making sure there's no scraggly pieces. That looks pretty darn even to me. I have a tuft that I don't know if I'm okay with. It kind of looks a little thick, and also these are kind of like not doing anything. They're just like a little section.
I cut that first layer of bangs way shorter. Then I proceeded to blend down and get any scraggly pieces that were sticking out and making it nice and even.
But this is how it turned out. I love that it has just a little bit more flow and then goes into the other layers now. Way better. It's so much easier to brush and does not feel as dead. If I do a updo or half up, half down, or a ponytail, I'm gonna have nice bangs to frame my face. There are still some areas that I'm not totally like super thrilled with because my hair obviously was not meant for this tutorial. Okay, so the reason I came to see you is I cut my own hair this time. Why? Okay, so you might have to fix it in some spots, but let me know how I did. Let me see. Oh boy. Not that bad, actually. I just need to blend it in a little bit. So it's almost Vanessa acceptable? Almost. Okay. Almost. She's gonna fix me.
So I am looking at your haircut, and you actually did a pretty good job. The only thing is, I know that you can't take your head off and put it in front of you when you're cutting your hair. So, of course, there's going to be a little bit of blending that you aren't able to get to.
So it wasn't me, it was my too long hair.
No, honestly, yeah, your hair is just so long, it's just impossible to be able to get every angle. So, I mean, you still did a really good job. But what I'm going to do is, I see the layers you made here, but it's a little bit disconnected. So what I want to do is blend it all back in together.
Okay.
Yay!
Look at that. So much more volume that she got off those little areas that I messed up. Yay! Okay, so overall, how did I do? What would you give me on a scale of 1 to 10 of how I did my hair?
I would definitely give you an 8.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You did a really good job for somebody just that doesn't even know how to cut hair, that just did it themselves.
Okay.
I would give you a good 8 out of 10. My friend. Good job.
So it would have worked better if I didn't have as much hair because my hair is way too long to cut myself, and my hair is way too thick for all that.
And way too long. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So if someone had thinner hair or shorter hair, the tutorial probably would have worked better.
Probably.
Okay.
Yes.
So thank you, Vanessa.
You're welcome. Good job. Well, since you cut off all your highlights, Crystal, I went ahead and redid that for you. So
I got my stuff professionally done this time. Woo!
I'll be back.
Woohoo! How do I know? Larry, subscribe.
OMG, I was so blonde, and then we put the red toner back in my hair, and then everything was normal again.
Want a good blowy? Come over to my house. No. I'm just like, you know.
Attention I'm getting.
Diva.
Double blowy.
Mariah Carey. Dang, girls, you got enough hair?
This cat. You wanna say hi? Ugh, he's making so much noise. Okay, he's gonna try to kill me.